What do you say, guys? Mr. Stoney. You can see I have a license plate on there. It says Texas. That's where the truck came from. 1994. My dad bought it for me. It hasn't been on the road yet in all these years. My dad's in the nursing home now, and he recently told me he wished he could have got to go for a ride in it. Well, many of you know it's not very far off, and I'm gonna try to tinker on it, see what I can do, get some more done. Also, as you know, I don't have a very good health history, and I can pretty much help my wife carry groceries in, and I get down over it, or I'm hurting from it somehow. So yeah, so anything major like this, trying to use your arms with a grinder probably is just gonna really be interesting after the fact. But that's what drugs are for, right? I'll get over it just like the rest of you guys do. I have problems because I was paralyzed neck down in 2005 and spinal cord damage. But I'm not trying to be negative. I'm walking about, barely, moving about, feed myself slowly, can dress myself. I can fish. It hurts me, but I can fish. So anyway, yep. I'm gonna try to fix these door handles. I welded them over in 1997. Now that I'm old, I'm gonna put them back. And my mirrors, original mirror locations right here, I want those back too. But here's my donor piece. As you can see, it goes somewhere right in there. Now, how's the best way to go about that? I don't know. I'm going to study on it. Try to bend myself around to look inside the door somehow. I may have to try to get a mirror, as I can't really get down very good, and see what I can see up in there. But I gotta get my door handles back. Any advice you guys want to throw out? I'll look at it. Thanks a lot. Bye.